If Microsoft Edge is showing error code 70X80072E2e, don't worry, this is usually a connection or network related issue, and in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes step by step. We'll start with the quickest commands, then check your VPN, and finally look at antivirus or firewall settings that may be blocking Edge from connecting properly. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to open Command Prompt. To do that, click the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. This is important because the commands we're about to use need administrator access to make system-level network changes. Once Command Prompt opens, type the first command exactly as shown and press Enter. Ipconfig/Flushdns. This clears your DNS cache, which can help if Edge is trying to connect using outdated or corrupted network information. After you press Enter, you should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Next, type the second command and press Enter. Netsh Winsock reset. This resets the Winsock catalog, which helps repair network socket issues that may be interfering with Microsoft Edge. After running this command, Windows may tell you that you need to restart your computer to complete the reset, but don't restart just yet if you still need to run the next command. Now type the third command and press Enter. Netsh WinHTTP reset proxy. This command resets any proxy settings that may be affecting your internet connection. Sometimes a bad proxy configuration can stop Edge from reaching websites or signing in properly, and this step clears that out. After you've entered all three commands, the next thing to do is turn off your VPN if you have one enabled. VPNs can sometimes interfere with Microsoft Edge and cause connection errors like 0X80072E2e. If you're using a VPN app, open it and disconnect completely. If your VPN is built into your system or browser, make sure it is fully disabled before testing Edge again. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall. Security software can sometimes block the connection that Edge needs, especially if it mistakenly flags the browser or one of its services. Open your antivirus program, look for protection settings, and temporarily turn off real-time protection. If you're using Windows Firewall or another firewall tool, disable it briefly as well, just for testing. Once you've done that, open Microsoft Edge again and see if the error is gone. If Edge starts working normally, then one of those security tools was likely causing the problem. In that case, you can turn protection back on and then adjust the settings to allow Edge through safely instead of leaving everything disabled. If you ran the network reset command, it's a good idea to restart your computer now so all the changes can take effect properly. After the restart, open Edge and try again. In many cases, these simple steps are enough to fix error code 70X80072E2e and get Microsoft Edge working normally again. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.